Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Applied Biochemists Pooltrine 60. What is Applied Biochemists Pooltrine 60? Pooltrine 60 algaecide, when used regularly, will kill current algae blooms and prevent future algae growth. Pooltrine 60 algaecide is effective against most types of algae. It does not require pH adjustment to be effective and is ideal for winterizing pools. This product kills algae and clears the water in your swimming pool without requiring pool closing and without foaming. Product benefits: no waiting to swim, non-foaming, compatible with bromine, chlorine, salt water, ozone, bigaunide, and minerals. Usage directions. Step 1. Pools containing heavy algae growth should be cleaned prior to using Pooltrine 60. Step 2. 24 hours after treating visible algae growth, algae debris should be removed by standard cleaning procedures. Step 3. Dilute Pooltrine 60 with at least 9 parts of water before applying. Pour the required amount of Pooltrine 60 into a plastic watering can and fill with water. Maintaining constant pool circulation, sprinkle solution around the edge of the pool. Dosage. Routine maintenance: 3 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons of water per week. Visible algae growth: 16 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons of water. Initial clean water treatment: 9 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.